Hello everyone, I'm Claire from Crafty Claire Tutorials, and if you are new to my channel, it's lovely to have you here. I do jewellery tutorials for complete jewellery beginners. I do other craft projects, and I do share days out, things like that. So it's a bit of a vloggy channel as well. But if you are new, it's lovely to have you here. So to you and to all my amazing current subscribers, I do hope you're doing well. Let me know how you are in the comments below, because I do like to know how you're doing. So here I've got some ring settings. Now these are stainless, I have previously showed these are stainless steel, and the cab sizes are 6mm, so they will take a 6mm cabochon. Here I've got some gemstone cabochons. These were what I was waiting to come in as well. These took forever to arrive. I like to ethically source my gemstones where I can. So from top to bottom we have Aventurine, then we have Turquoise, Tiger Eye, Amethyst, Lapis Lazuli, Blue Spot Jasper, Opalite and Rose Quartz. And these are approximately 6mm, so I'm hoping they will fit in. So again, looking at these rings, they are very well made. Now I do have a website where you'll find all the supplies that I use in most of my tutorials. So these are made of stainless steel. Now size wise, they are a 55. They start at 55. Now remember, these are adjustable. They're not flimsy either. So we've got, it depends where you're from. So it's 55, which is on, let me see, 17.5mm. If you're from the UK, it's an O. And it's a size 7. It's about a size 7, so that should cover French, UK, US, I think Euro, those sizes. I've got them turned over this way because before I started I just wanted to check and make sure they are okay, and they're absolutely fine, and they are soldered together. They're ever so strong. Like I say, if you do want to make them larger, you can just gently pull them apart. Obviously I'm not going to, but you can see there's a little bit of slight movement just by doing that. Now I've just got some cotton buds just in case I make a bit of a mess. I've got some glue. So I'm going to put that here. Now these rings, when they're made, because these will be going for sale on my website, I put all my rings in a velvet drawstring pouch. And I've also listed these on the website as well. I don't normally put my ring pouches on, but I have put these on. I'm surprised how much they actually are now, because when I bought mine, if I can, I tend to buy in bulk. But also, I have lots of new supplies in. These have yet to be added to the website. But look, teddies are so popular. So I've got these teddy bears. Now these are not beads, these are flatbacks, or known as cabochons. So you would glue them to something. And I've got some kitty cats as well, the pink bows. So they will be going on. But there are lots of new, if you want to check out the new stock, just click on new stock and I think you'll be surprised what there is. I've got lots of beads on that. I have spent so much money but you've got to speculate to accumulate, haven't you? So they say. So I've got lots of beads coming in. I've got lots of pearl beads. I've got 6mm bicones. I want to get those in. I've got some lovely pearl bead mixes on the way. What else have I got? I splashed out on some Austrian crystal beads. And I think I've got some more teddy bears coming. So if you want to check out the website, I'll link it below. Okay, we'll work top to bottom. Now I just want to double check that they do fit in before I add the glue. I will do this to each one. Yeah, that's fine. So that is what they will look like. So we'll go ahead and do this one. Now you only need a tiny amount of glue. Let me just take that old glue off. It's dry. Where's my bin? I do have the window open just a tiny bit, and I do have football taking place at the back of me, and I do live on a dual carriageway, so that's fine. So that's that one. Just double checking. Now we're going to do the turquoise. Oh, I didn't check beforehand, did I? Let me just double check. I don't want to waste any. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, you can hear lots of men shouting for the football. I can't see any, but just to be on the safe side. There's the turquoise. Obviously at the end of this I will take some better photos. Oh, that's quite a bit on that. Again, I've done it again. I think that might be a little bit too big. Right, let me just go straight to the amethyst because the glue will, oops, the glue will set. Right, that one's fine. Let me try that one. Yeah, that one's fine. Okay. There is that one. There's the amethyst. tiger's eye. Again, I can't see any, but just to be on the safe side, I don't have my glasses on. But I don't want, because they are slightly stuck up, obviously if they catch on someone's clothes it could take the gemstone out, which obviously I don't want. Okay, let's try them first. That one's fine. This one looks a bit bigger, but we'll try it. Okay, so we've got Lapis Lazuli. I've also got the window open a little bit because this is strong. I don't want to be high as a kite. I might start singing. Gosh, that would be bad. So there we have Lapis Lazuli. Lazuli, depends on how you say. Then we have a blue spot jasper. Oh, again. I'm so used to just going straight in because I'm always in a rush normally. Like, that one fits fine. Actually, while I'm here, let's just make sure all of them go in. Opalite. I love opalite. I love opal, but it's a very expensive. Opalite will do just fine for me. Right, they all fit. So blue spot jasper. This is a first for me, using, I believe, blue spot jasper. If I have done tutorials before and you know, please let me know in the comments below. And also, what are you working on yourselves at the moment? It may not be jewelry, it could be anything else. Or you might want to share how your day is. You might want to share how your day has been. How are you? I have been full of a cough and a cold. Perhaps you're the same. And I've infected my partner Richard, my daughter Jessica. She messaged me on Friday. She's doing GP training. Mum, you've infected me. Blue spot jasper. So that wasn't very good, seeing patients when she was like that, but I'm not sure if she stayed or whether they sent her home, because I imagine some of the people you see, I'm not sure, I haven't spoken to her. I'll speak to her over the weekend at some point. I do like that. I love opal. I know it's opalite, but opal is the October birthstone. You can always have this for October birthstone as well. Obviously, opalite is lab created. So there's our opalite ring. And the very last one is rose quartz. So what I do, I'm going to list these on my website, and I'm going to list them on my Etsy. I have over 30,000 sales on Etsy. If you want to check out, if you've not bought from me before, and you know, obviously some people are scammers, aren't they? I can assure you I'm not. But if you want me to check my Etsy channel, I've got over 30,000 sales. But if you buy on the website, it's a lot cheaper because I don't have so many overheads. Of course, I've got to pay for the website and all the fees and payment processing fees and whatnot, but it's still a lot cheaper. I mean, I had a large order go to the USA. If that lady is on here watching, I do believe she watched the ceramic beads. I did a bracelet tutorial using ceramic beads, so I sent a large order to the USA, and there was a big discount as well. There was a big discount, but obviously I send everything tracked, so it does make it more expensive to send outside of the UK. And I've just heard Royal Mail are putting their prices up again. It's absolutely ridiculous. They cannot give a good service. So I might even look into possibly Every or Yodel or something. I mean, I've had no problem. I know some people have moaned about them in the past, but I haven't personally used them to send anything. But Yodel and Every delivery drivers are the best. It's no problems. I always leave them fantastic feedback. They're so friendly. They're amazing. So there we have rose quartz. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to leave a comment, it all helps. So, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. I've got lots of tutorials available, ideal for the complete jewellery beginner. So thank you for watching, take care and happy crafting.